guys, this is kriziabel and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll be transforming myself, this face right here, into an e-girl, which seems to be a trend nowadays, so I wanted to do my take of an e-girl. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started in the video. Hey guys, so to start this look, I'm gonna put my hair into mini pigtails. To prime my face, I'm gonna use the Essence Cosmetics You Better Work Gym Proof Primer, which is anti-shine and sweat proof. For my foundation, I'm gonna use the Essence Cosmetics Insta Perfect Liquid Makeup Foundation, which is waterproof and it has a buildable coverage and it has a strong matte effect. For the concealer, I'm gonna use the Essence Cosmetics Camouflage Plush Concealer, which has a matte finish and it is waterproof. And I'm gonna put that all over my face. To fill in my brows, I'm gonna use the ColourPop Eyebrow Powder, which is in the shade Banging Brunette. To prime my eyelids, I'm gonna use the Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer by NYX. For my eye look today, I'm gonna be using the NYX Modern Dreamer Rainbow Eyeshadow Palette. Firstly, I'm gonna take the teal matte shade and I'm gonna put it all over my lid and blend it out afterwards. Wonder if I should change my mind. After that, I'm gonna take the teal blue shimmery shade, which is right next to the teal, and I'm gonna put it on top of the teal that we already put on our eyes. Next up, I'm gonna use the Essence Cosmetics Super Last Eyeliner, which is waterproof, and I'm gonna make sure to make a very thin line. Now back to our eyeshadow palette, we're gonna take this shimmery Moon-like shade and we're gonna put it in our inner corners to make them pop. And then we're gonna curl our lashes. And then going in with the Essence Cosmetics You Better Work Length Definition Mascara, we're gonna pack it up with mascara. Alternatively, you can use fake eyelashes. Next up with blush, we're gonna use the Essence Cosmetics The Blush in the shade Beloved, and we're gonna pack it on our cheeks, on our nose, and our temples. We're gonna pack it everywhere, and the more you put, the better. For highlighter, we're gonna use the Essence Cosmetics So Glow Cream to Powder Highlighter, and we're gonna highlight the bridge of our nose, the tip of the nose, our cheeks, and anywhere else you wanna highlight your face. Now, with the eyeliner that we used to draw the eyeliner on our eyes, we're gonna use it again to draw the hearts near our eyes. Now, for the lips, I'm gonna go in first with the Essence Cosmetics Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Duck Face. It's literally called Duck Face. Okay with me. Now, on top of the liquid lipstick, we're gonna put the Santa Angelica liquid lipstick and we're gonna blend it in with the liquid lipstick. And now to finish off the lips, we're gonna give it a glossy look using the Essence Cosmetics Crystal Wet Look Lip Gloss. And finally, to seal the deal, we're gonna use the Essence Cosmetics You Better Work Gym Proof Fixing Spray, which is sweat resistant and anti-shine. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed watching me transform myself into an e-girl. I'm really happy with this look, although the hearts did take a little bit long to do, but I'm really happy with this look. It's really cute. I feel really cute in it with the little pigtails here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you were entertained by this video. So if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. If you want any other transformations, then let me know in the comments down below, and also comment what you thought about the video and what you thought about the editing of the video, because it's a little bit different than my previous 3 videos. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!